All right, we're making chili dogs today. What I do is I put the hot dogs on the thing, and then I spin them back and forth. Ideally, the bun would be steamed, but I'm gonna do it with when I baked. This is what the hot dog comes out looking like. And then I got chili with lots of onions, a little bit of mustard, cooked to perfection right there. You just roll them back and forth. I'm gonna move them over so that they don't burn now. And then yell lunch for anybody that wants to come get a hot dog. Have a good one, y'all.